In an earlier video when we were looking at creating drill-through pages, we basically went to sales by country, and when we right-clicked, say, Germany, we could actually say that we wanted to drill through to the sales by region page. So that's a drill-through page. But that's quite tedious for people to do, to actually right-click and choose drill through and choose which page they want to drill through. We can actually create a drill through button, which makes it easy for people to navigate various scenarios. So what I'd like to do here on the sales by country page is I'd like to insert a blank button below my funnel chart. So I'll go Insert Buttons in the ribbon, and I'm just going to choose a blank button. Here's my blank button in the top left corner, so I'll drag that down and put it below my funnel chart. About there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to stretch it and just make it more visible. So stretch it and resize it. Then if you go to your Format pane and you go to Action, you can turn the action on. And if you expand the chevron, you can type things and see things like tooltips and so on. I'm going to choose my action type, which is actually drill through. And when I choose drill through, I can then choose a destination. And my destination is sales by region. So you've got to have the drill through pages set up first. Then you create the blank button, and the blank button can then have an action, which is a drill through action, and then you can choose which page you want to drill through. Now the other thing we can do is we could actually add a tooltip that's on, and if I expand that, I can see that I can enable text and disable text. So I'm just going to leave that for the moment. I might come back to that in a minute. But I do want to go to the format, and I do want to go to style, and I want to turn text on, and I want to add some text to this button. And the text will say click to see details. And that's exactly the text that you see showing on that button. Now if I rest on the button, it says to drill through to sales by region, select a single data point from country region. So I'm just going to choose a single, like Germany, and then I'll click to see details. Now I can see that button doesn't quite sit properly, so I'm just going to resize things and make things work well. I can move that down. I can then try again. Click on Germany, and here it says click to see details, and this is the standard message. Hold the control and click to drill through to sales by region. If I don't like the standard message, I can actually add my own tooltip. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on the button, I'm going to go to Action, and I'm going to go to Tooltip, and I'm going to type click to view details about the selected, about the country you selected. For example, if I then click on the button and just rest it, click to view details about the country you selected. So it's not saying which country, because I need to make a bit of intelligence for that. But the point is you can make a button which will show default tooltip text, but you can edit that tooltip text. And so if I control click, then I'm seeing information about Germany. If I control click the back button, I can go back again. So you can make your own drill through button instead of asking the person to right click a particular part of a visual and drill through. And you can customize the tooltip a little bit to make it a little bit user friendly.